So these are the 5 words and definitions that I chose. 1 is pebble, a small stone made smooth and round by the action of water or sand. 2 is yeast, a microscopic fungus consisting of single oval cells that reproduce by budding and are capable of converting sugar into alcohol and carbon dioxide. And that's how you get drunk. Lice, small wingless parasitic insects that live on your hair, of mammals and birds, and the image is horribly disturbing. Replicate, make an exact copy of. So as you can see, these two chickens are exactly the same. Fabric, cloth produced by weaving or knitting textile fibers, which are these here right now. And that is it.